This is a very difficult time for seniors. Most of them are in denial. They don't realize that they really do need the help. They push off the help. And it's really the adult children who are understanding the needs of their parents. So the adult children are working, and most of them are sandwich generation kids. They have children at home that they're still caring for, and they're worrying about their parents, and they're working full time. So they don't want to have to worry whether the person is getting to their appointments on time, whether the right nursing care is coming into the home. They want to know that there is this company, this person, this individual that is going to really take care of their parents. And there is such a trust issue here, and it's scary. And most seniors do not want strangers in their home. I mean, I think that's the biggest challenge. And so when you have somebody like Peter who is going out and they're meeting these families, they just get that sense that he's really, really cares about them and will only put the right people in place.
They were very, very good to me, and I was very satisfied. I was very impressed with these girls. I couldn't have gotten anyone better. So I was very impressed with senior helpers.